And here are the pros. Richard Del Rosario, Jason Webb, and Miko Halili. Welcome to the Bro Show.
Welcome back, bros!
Wait, we're finally complete.
We're finally complete. Pero bro,
naantok pa to
oh, jet lag pa ata to,
bro.
Bro, yun.
Naman to, Paranaque.
Ngayon lang tayo mako-complete, tapos jet lag ka pa dyan.
Hindi ka ba, kasalanan ko ba na bumabiyahe ako? Hindi ka tulad.
Kayo na ba? Sorry semi-sunod kami.
Ayun pala, kaya hindi ka makaalis. Hindi mo nga alam kung ano gagawin mo doon sa pera eh.
Umalis kayo pareho, wala man lang pasalubong kahit ano. Ano?
Ako may pasalubong.
Nasa na?
Tsokolate.
Nasa na?
Chocolate shake na lang yan sa init.
Ikaw dito, wala rin.
Next Monday. Dala ng ng pasalubong next Monday, ha?
Sige.
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 Okay. All right, but we're happy to be together again.
Yes.
Medyo matagal kami hindi kompleto, and happy to be complete with all of you, all the bros, and all the sponkies, and all the babes.
Iba yung pagkain.
Parang meron siya.
Hindi.
Hindi, meron kang pinapa,
Hindi, standard greeting natin yan. Standard, don't put words in my mouth.
Sorry.
Standard greeting
Kahit
natin
rewind
yan.
mo yan makikima.
Okay, we're right in the thick of the NBA playoffs, and we just finished one of the best, if not the best, first round in NBA history.
Nakanood ako.
Nakita ko, kayo ni Senator Freddy.
Nood kami. Lakers. Clippers.
Kayo lang nandun.
Clippers. Pero it's very different. Alam mo yung Clipper vibe compared doon sa Laker vibe. Because we had an opportunity also pag yung Lakers. Talagang, purple and gold pag yung nagpa-playoffs ang Lakers. Pag Clippers, medyo...
Halo-halo.
Hindi pa masyadong matindi.
You know what's weird about the Clippers? Like kunyari...
Di ba pag Clippers, black and white lang?
Hindi na. Kulang nga eh. Kulang na isa.
Kunyari, for someone na ilang beses na nakapunta ng LA, I have never, and in all talagang seriousness, I have never met a Clipper fan.
Really?
Wala akong kamag-anak doon na Clipper fan. Wala pa akong nami-meet doon na... But when you watch...
Hindi ba kilala si Donald?
Sterling notebook. Yung may point ko sa notebook eh. Hindi ako bibili ng notebook. Sterling.
Saan ka ba nagpupunta?
Bakit?
Ba't walang Clipper fan?
Hindi ko alam. All the people I meet in LA are Laker fans. Really? I've never met a Clipper fan
Even
ever.
when the Clippers were winning and Lakers were losing?
Kasi bago lang kasi yung mga kailangan mga barkada mo pareho sa akin, mga bata. Ay, mga Clipper fans.
Seryoso? Oo, ganun?
Wala na ako kilala.
Wala kilala eh. Okay, let's just put out the bracket. We have a basic NBA bracket. So we're already in the second round. So it's already 1-0 for the Spurs. Wow, they really murdered the Blazers this morning. As in, murdered. And then 1-0 over Clippers over OKC. And then 1-0 the Wizards over the Pacers. And then 1-0 Heat over the Nets.
Pasakay ka, Adam Silver! Pasakay!
Why do I get this feeling? Why do I get this feeling na kung ano yung kinaganda nung first round?
Pasakay lang.
Parang feeling ko pagdating ng second round, the favored teams are just going to run over the like kunyari okay na would be 6 games, 4-2 ganyan.
Actually pag titingnan mo yung I think the San Antonio Portland is a mismatch.
Okay.
Yun, mismatch yun. Pero yung Clippers OKC ganda niyan. You have two teams that are very emotional at the moment.
I hope they go 7 games.
Tapos, Indiana and Washington, may chance yung Washington. Dark horse sa East
Ako,
yan.
I picked the Wizards.
Ako rin.
I picked the Wizards.
Ay, bullets ako.
Tignan mo kaya,
West Ansel.
West Ansel, sila.
And then yung Miami and Brooklyn, meron ba dito, like I'm picking Miami of course, but is anyone giving Brooklyn a chance?
Miami.
Akala ko Brooklyn nung una, pero parang they age through the playoffs.
kasi pinatakbo sila ng Toronto eh. Toronto, ratatat eh. So,
Ano yan? The Dinosaurs versus the Raptors.
the Raptors, di ba? Pareho
Pero, I
lang.
mean, kasi Miami, well-rested. I mean, Brooklyn, yung emotional roller coaster, talagang, ang hirap kaya nun. I mean, after 7-game series, tapos start ka agad ng another series.
Galing pa ng ano.
Oo.
Nag pa sila, passport at lahat. Bumiyahe pa ng Canada.
Oo, di ba?
Dadaan ka pa ng immigration.
So teams like even Portland, yung ganyan, tapos biglang makakarap mo San Antonio. So talagang mahirap 'yun. Talagang yung roller coasters, yung emotional roller coaster sa team, para kang when you won that first round series, parang kala mo feeling mo championship na rin eh. Di ba? So ngayon, medyo start. So let's see, pag nag-settle down na sila na they realize, oh, it's another series. Who knows?
Okay, I know it's early. 1 game pa lang in the second round, but just lagay nyo na sino yung magpa-Final Four dyan. Chard.
San Antonio, Miami, okay na yung dalawa.
Hirap naman ng mga pinili mo.
Hindi. Para at least ako.
Hindi, tama. Ako, I'll put
Ako rin.
Washington and I'll put, torn ako dun sa Clippers
Hirap, no?
OKC because meron ako emotional investment sa Clippers because what they've gone through.
Kala ko ba, hindi ka fan.
Hindi ako fan talaga. May sinabi ko lang, I'm just parang sort of like
Like crush ka doon kay, no?
Hindi kay Redick.
Hindi yung sa yung babae,
Sino yung babae?
Vetenong,
Yung girlfriend.
Yung hindi. And then yung OKC, kasi syempre si KD, yung MVP, kawawa naman siya if, on his MVP year, he doesn't make it past the second round. So I'm really torn, but I guess kung kailangan pilitin, I'd go with OKC.
Ako, pareho, tapos Washington, dahil parang Indiana, masyutan mo lang, iyakan na eh. Parang sobrang bigat ng pressure. And then, whoever wins game 2,
Dito sa Clippers, OKC.
Because hindi naman today was actually also, we'll talk about it, the MVP day of
Kevin Durant.
Kevin Durant. And it was a very emotional speech. It's a speech that could put together the team.
Parang turning point
Turning
for
point
the
yun.
team. Oh.
Pag hindi pa sila manalo pagkatapos nung ginawang speech ni Kevin Durant about loving his teammates, this and that, they have no chance. They have no chance.
So sa tingin nyo, Indiana, kahit makalaro na ulit si Hibbert, no chance?
Saan? No chance saan?
No chance in ano?
No chance?
No chance in? The problem in Indiana was the same problem they had during the last month of the regular season, same problem they had against the Hawks, and they still have the same problem now. It's a chemistry thing. Although naglabas ng Instagram si Paul George. Na picture niya ni George Hill tsaka ni Hibbert na parang they were fishing or something to show na, they're friends. The whatever yung mga nasty na mga chismis dyan and that yung mga chismis are ridiculous, by the way. I mean, talagang grabe. So parang tabloid style na.
Sa'yo, dati nagpakita tayo mga Abante tsaka TikTok.
Pero pag may ganyan ng mga chismis, meron yan. Meron yan, miski.
But they have a problem for sure.
Meron yan.
Because
meron yan.
this team is too
Ano ba chismis sa'yo?
Wala.
Walang lumalabas.
Meron yan.
Walang
Hindi na chismis yun. Nilabasan natin sa IG yun. No, but with Indiana, they still have that problem. And even if, let's say kaya kunyari medyo naayos nila. The thing is, the other teams,
konting mitsa lang.
wala na. Alam nila, kayang-kaya nila yung Indiana. Hawks ka, pinahirapan
Di ba
sila.
yun yung mga style pag player ka? Di ba kanya nag-aaway? Kanya teammates ka, nag-aaway. Sabihin mo, hindi ka pinapasahan.
Ganun.
Para mag-aaway-aaway sila.
I think they're too fragile and too volatile
At
to
this
survive.
point,
And Washington naman, they're all positive. They're all speed. They're all confidence. So,
Tsaka kung titignan mo lineup ng Washington, it definitely is a top 4 lineup in the East.
yeah, because
Lineup-wise,
may
yung
veterans
five,
ka.
yung starting 5 nila, you can argue, is as good as Indiana.
Correct.
Starting 5,
Correct.
They have a better point guard. Their wing guys, makikita mo, Nene is just as good as David West. So, it's just, not bad.
Okay, so at least pati the bro show, we're medyo
Taya na kayo.
Washington. I really have a good feeling about Washington. Now, today, someone will be joining the bro show to help us out with our NBA analysis.
Steve Kerr.
Hindi si
Mark
Steve.
Jackson?
Hindi.
Shaq.
No.
Charles Barkley.
No.
The Jet.
No.
Jeffrey Cariaso.
No. We got someone. Para mabigyan naman tayo ng ibang point of view. Okay?
Dating player ng Coca-Cola.
No. Someone from the rock and roll world. Parang may iba naman, bro.
Pepe Smith?
Hindi si Pepe Smith, bro. Diba? Ba't kailangan mas bagets pa, mas bata pa?
Mike Hanapol.
No.
Mas bata pa rin?
No.
Mas bata pa kay Mike Hanapol.
Yeah, look. I know you have a hard time, identifying yung mga artists of my generation.
Bata pa.
These are, he's the lead singer of one of my favorite bands, Sponge Cola. He's a huge NBA fan. He's going to join the Bro Show in a moment. Yael Yuzon. He's going to be part of the Bro Show. Okay, so we'll take a short break, and when we return, Yael will help us break down the NBA playoffs and many other things. So stay tuned. This is the Bro Show.
Hi. They say nothing in this world is free, and for the most part, that's true. But here at NMF Network, all shows are indeed 100% free. And as an added feature, you have the option to subscribe to all your favorite programs, also at no charge. Why should you subscribe? By subscribing, you no longer have the hassle of delays when you stream the program. You also don't need to keep checking our site to see if your favorite programs are up, because they'll automatically be uploaded to your device as soon as it's available. Here's how to do it. First, open iTunes. Your next step, hit the iTunes Store button. A search bar should open up as soon as you do that. Type New Media Factory in the search bar, and all your shows should open. Pick the show you like, or all the shows you like. And once that opens, hit the subscribe button. And that's it. You're in. All shows will now be automatically downloaded to your device. What do you think is ailing local football?
Well, politics.
Should athletes be endorsers?
Yes, why not?
Why did you refuse to be the Haskell's head coach countless times?
I've been there, done that. Too much politics, like I said. Like I posted one time a few days ago, coaching is a thankless job. With what's happening with Michael Weiss, we talked about it already before, personally, one-on-one, and I said, it happens. And I said, you should know that because you worked also somewhere in other countries as well. There's no such thing as a permanent job in coaching, in any sport.
Why do you say thankless?
Well, you're only as good as the wins.
And then that's it.
Plus, of course, there are other factors like disrespect, honor, honesty, and all of this. Because you're just a coach, you're not the manager. You're not the association, you're not the institution. So you, as a coach, you're just an employee. So you're as good only as the wins that you have.
Hi guys, it's me, Tita K. Tita K! Come and hang out on Live Love Lols. Let's talk about makeup, beauty.
Hi, ganda.
Who's that? We can talk about ugly too, not just kidding. And of course, Donya problems galore. Yaya, ang spaceship paki-on. Fashion, shopping. Oh my god, shopping! I love shopping. Ah! Food. We gotta talk about food. Anything and everything on cyberspace. Let's buy everything. We can talk about glamour and ubusan ng glamour. We fly Wednesday 6 to 7 p.m. only on nmfnetwork.tv.
And now back to the Bro Show.
And we're back, and as promised, we're bringing in the heavy artillery.
Yan.
Oh, what?
Wala kasi lahat yung mga comments nyo, yung mga insights ninyo. Wala.
Bakit?
Wala kayong credibility lang.
Wala kami credibility?
Oo.
Sino may credibility?
Kami lang. Kami lang.
Okay, we'd like to introduce our special guest today, live here on the Bro Show from Sponge Cola, Mr. Yael Yuzon.
Hi, guys. Woohoo! Yeah!
Wow.
Okay, and...
Tagus sa pader yung mga ano.
ang dami. Puno-puno nga sa baba.
Ha, talaga?
Ano ba tawag mo sa mga Sponge Cola fanatics? Do you have like a name for them?
Wala kaming term. Try namin i-avoid yan early on eh. Parang welcome kayo to listen to anything you want. You don't have to be parang purists. Parang ganun.
So hindi pwede sponge colanatics.
May mga group silang ginawa sa
meron,
clan all over the Philippines. So, hi guys, everyone.
Yeah, but of course, EL, he's kilala nyo siya as a, like a rock star, but maybe not many know that you are a really huge basketball fan.
Actually, baka nga mas malaking personality chunk ko yung pagiging fan ng basketball over pagiging a musician. Kasi nagkataon I could do music and it was there. Pero basketball, kaya lang 5'4" ako eh. So, kung 6'4" ako, may laban yun. Pero 5'4", can't really.
Pero maraming mga 6'4" na hindi marunong.
Ha?
Yun pala. Exactly. Pero yun, ever since, like, I always wanted to be a basketball player.
So, ever since?
Yeah, pero yun, hanggang dun lang ako sa... I can play, but I'm not great. I'm a role player. I'm like Randy Brown. That's sad.
Oh, may picture
But
with
Oh, no, meet
the
ko siya.
picture with Randy Brown?
Yeah, I met him.
Kala ko
Former
Johnny
Chicago
Escobar
Bull.
eh. Yung sa picture mo. Diba?
Kasi ganun, diba?
So ano yung mga favorite teams mo growing up first?
Well, growing up, I was always particularly fond of the Detroit Pistons noong 90s, yung early 90s na Bad Boys. Kasi parang, lumaki ako may court sa kalye, tapos yung kalye na to sa Tondo. So medyo hardcore yung mga tao. So na-compare ko lagi yung buhay doon sa Detroit Pistons. Kasi parang hindi sila nagsasmile, hindi sila nag-shake hands. Although hindi na ako ganun. Pero sa isip ko gusto ko maging ganun eh. So parang, ang sarap rin maging parang villain every once in a while. So ang sarap na yung star, ayun ba yung star player? Sige, pag tumalon yan, patayan sa akin. Parang, oh, that sounds so wrong. Sorry, I'm not this mean. I am not a bad guy. I'm just saying that you have to be a bit physical. And,
So dirty player ka?
Well, slightly. Hindi, pag 5'4" ka, hindi rin naman dirty yun eh. Kasi parang, I understand.
Yeah, you're just defending yourself.
Yeah. So parang I'm just making sure that there's no, end one. You're trying to avoid that. So
Doon sa Detroit, sino yung favorite na player mo doon sa Bad Boys era?
si Joe Dumars talaga.
Joe Dumars. Ang galing na na President of Basketball Operations.
Oh, tanggal na, di ba?
Tanggal na.
Tanggal na ba siya? Pero pansin ko lagi siya may beer pag nanonood siya ng game. So tapos palaki siya ng palaki every year. So parang...
Idol yun.
Pero diba, meron yung mga... Hindi naman yung nakaganon. I don't know what you call those. Pero,
yung mistro.
Oh, yun. Yung mistro na nakaganon na. Yeah! Pero may hawak lagi siyang beer sa games. Tapos laging seryoso yung mukha niya. So, yun. Hindi yun yung reason kung ba't ko siya gusto.
Pagkatapos ng Detroit,
ng early 90s, wala. Naging labo-labo na Indiana Pacers. Kung ano-ano eh. Basta usually, hindi naman sa hindi ko gusto ang Chicago Bulls. Pero parang naawa na ako sa lahat ng ibang team na hindi nagkaroon ng chance.
Pareho tayo. Ako rin, I was anti-Chicago.
Yeah.
Hindi galit kay Jordan. It's just that I'd rather root for yung kung sino yung kalaban.
so nag-Karl Malone ka?
Oh!
At one point.
Ako
yeah.
Nag-Sonics ako, finals,
Nag-Sonics rin ako.
Utah.
Hindi, Sonics medyo interesante.
Pero yung all those, yung mga epic na New York, Chicago na series na,
Pati mga Cleveland na
Knicks ako.
kinawawa. Yung mga kinawawang
Oh,
Cleveland.
yun sila Larry Nance, sila
Craig
Mark
Elo.
Price. Oh, yun.
Medyo career game pa pala yung tinirahan siya ni Jordan nung buzzer beater na yun. So, he had the shot prior to it na parang end one na importante. So, kawawa rin siya eh. Parang, It was well defended.
To, I guess, further illustrate, yung love ni Yael for basketball, meron kasi kaming every time we have a guest here, we sent out a private investigator to
Budget kami.
research, background check, ganyan. And our private investigator comes up with the materials. CCTV.
Yeah, kung saan ka nagpupunta sa gabi.
Secret photos.
Kung
we have, I think this is set number 1, I think.
Marami tayo ngayon.
Marami. So set number 1 of our secret files on Yael Yuzon.
Ito yung naka-blatter.
Yeah. Classified material.
Oh my God.
Ayan, that tank.
Alam mo, nakita ko kasi siya sa CPK ito eh. Tapos parang sabi ko sa girlfriend ko, wife ko na ngayon, sabi ko parang, tapos bigla siyang, ha? Eh, lakas ng boses, napahiya na ako. Parang, no. Tapos nagpa-picture siya. Tinawag niya para magpa-picture ako. Ako naman kasi nahihiya ako magpa-picture sa mga tao eh. Kasi parang doon siya kasama niya yung family niya. Parang ayoko naman ma-hassle siya.
Pero parang type ka naman ni Nolly dito.
Hindi, parang laruan, ginaganong-ganon lang.
Iba yung hawak sa balikat mo.
Hindi, feeling ko naman feeling ko.
Pero kung matay pa ka na, wala kang magagawa.
Wala na tayo. Tatank eh. So, yun na yun, di ba? Pero grabe kasi, ako naman, Alaska fan ako before growing up. So, laging magkalaban Alaska at saka Ginebra sa final. So, parang dati, technically, ayaw ko siya dahil ang galing niya eh. Lalo pag binibit-bit niya yung bola ng one hand na gano'n. Parang, how do you do that? Why do you even do that? Why? Pero, magaling kasi siya.
Ngayon nga, dumadunk pa eh.
Kaya pa niya.
All-star.
He always had very thin legs eh. Parang, ewan ko, hindi ko naman siya check yung legs niya. Pero it's just, you see it. I mean, yung shorts medyo maikse, tapos yung legs medyo parang, for a guy who's a bit can't say rotund, chunky. For a chunky guy, he has like really thin legs.
Si Nolly, nung pumasok ng Lasal, alam ni Chard yan. Ano lang, shooting guard. Nung natapos sa Lasal, power forward. Ganun ka.
Ano yung height ng pagpasok tsaka ng exit?
Wala, ganyan. Mga 6'2 lang si Noli eh.
So, it was more of really like a width.
Yes.
Tsaka lakas ng
Tsaka
katawan.
lakas ng katawan.
Barkley.
Barkley.
Okay, next photo.
Barkley!
Oh, Barkley.
Sabi niya
Speaking
ng
of.
Barkley.
Oh.
Ito kasing kakatapos lang ng concert ng Phoenix. Tapos lahat ng tao nagpo-post ng picture ng Phoenix.
Phoenix the band.
Band.
Phoenix
Parang
the
galing
band.
ng Phoenix kagabi. Tapos sabi ko, magaling naman sila. 90s pa lang eh. Parang, ayan yung picture. Gusto ko lang naman.
Were you a Phoenix?
Phoenix ako nung time na yan.
Ako rin.
Ako rin. Phoenix ako niya.
Si Barkley, parang yun ang dapat tularan ng bawat Pinoy eh. Kasi 6'4", 6'5", playing like he's 6'10". Tapos naninindak kahit nasa bench. Yung alam mo lang nandyan si Barkley, huwag kang makulit.
Pinoy yan, nanunura yan.
O, diba? Pinoy yan. Tsaka may hinagis daw siya dati sa pinagbawalan siya mag-cigar sa isang bar. Hinagis niya dati sa salamin. Pero hindi ko alam kung totoo yun. Pero iniisip ko na lang totoo yun.
Alright, next.
Basketball picture siya nandyan. Natatakot ako na may
next
nakakahiya
photo,
lumabas
please.
eh.
Next picture.
Okay, what's this?
Ito gusto ko lang talaga may magregalo sa akin. Umaasa kasi ako na baka may fan ako na nasa States na pwedeng bumili ng jersey.
But this is not just any jersey.
Robert Horry.
It's, gusto mo like an autographed Robert
Not
Horry?
necessarily. I just want to have
Basta
like a
Horry.
Robert Horry jersey. Kasi
Nakita mo siya nung nagpunta siya dito?
hindi eh. Hindi ko napanood. Hindi ko rin napunta. Pero I think nakasama niya yung ex ko before, so parang gano'n na rin yun on some level. Sinabi ko pa talagang ex na, sorry.
Ano parang gano'n na rin?
Kanya lahat ex ko.
Ano ba nangyari?
Ikaw nag-bring up niya.
Wala. Di namin kilala eh. Di namin kilala yung mga yan.
Hindi tayo nagsama-sama.
Di tayo nagsama ng isang beses.
Di namin kilala yun. Di namin nakatrabaho yun. Tsaka di ko yung mahilig sa weather.
Teka lang, hindi na ba? Hindi ko na-follow, sorry. Ex eh. I believe I actually said that.
Sino ba?
Di mo ba? Bulong mo.
Magkasama. Hindi ba alam birthday mo? Kasama nga tayo ng birthday mo.
Kailan ba yun?
Pero that was a long time ago.
Pero wala mo na.
Pero matagal na yun.
Mga 6 years ago.
Tagal na yun.
Long time
Past
ago.
is past.
Yeah.
Tagal na nun.
Pero I'm really hoping na kung may anyone out there na pwede akong bilhan ng jersey, even
The Robert Horry.
kahit yung ex ko, okay lang. If you wanna buy me a jersey.
tanong mo yung ex mo,
Manood
baka
naman siya ng
binigyan
ganda
siyang jersey.
Oo nga, kung sakaling meron. Kahit yung mas
Sige,
luma
why did you talk to your ex and ask?
Hi to my ex.
Wala ba tayong music?
Uy, binati ko siya on stage yung nasa 7107 kami So hindi naman to parang awkward
Oh,
masyado.
so it's not awkward. So go ahead.
Hi.
Why did you ask her? Sige.
Yo, kung meron kang extra jersey ni Robert Horry,
Ganun ba kayo tawagan niya? Yo!
Ay, hindi naman. Hindi ko naman. No! Let's not go there. Hindi, pero if you actually feel like giving me a jersey, that would be cool. Or anyone. I mean, seriously, it's just
Pero
Robert
mahirap
Horry.
hanapin yan, no?
Yun nga eh, hirap makahanap. Tsaka, yung price na nakalagay, $25.95, okay na ako dun eh. That's a good price for a throwback. Magkano ba?
Ba't di mo binili?
Hindi.
Nagkuripot ako ng konti. Kasi kakabili ko lang ng Chris Mullin. Kakabili ko lang ng Chris Mullin.
How many jerseys do you have?
I have a lot of the vintage stuff eh. May Chris Mullin ako. Meron akong, sino si coach ng Magic na point guard?
Jack Vaughn.
Yun, there. Meron din akong Charles Barkley. Pero feeling ko fake eh. Parang mali yung cut eh. Pero anyway, okay, I'll take it. Ano ba? Chris Mullin, nasabi ko na, ang dami. Meron akong Chris Paul na luma, yung Hornets pa. Nababalik na, pero
Parang
Charlotte.
siyang old soul NBA fan.
Tell us if you want our jersey. Still have extra.
Marami pa jersey itong
Ay, ako,
dalawa.
Pero medyo mataas yung presyo nung sa amin kaysa doon
Kasi
sa...
wala nang ginagawang ganun eh.
Pero wala ka bang jersey nung suot mo nung game na parang nag-hyperventilate ka before?
Wala.
Naalala mo pa yung game na yun, di ba? Binalaro ka na 40 minutes straight yata or something.
Ba't wala?
Finals,
Injured lahat?
UST.
Ano yun? Injured lahat?
Alam mo naman yung college.
College ball yun. 40 minutes ka.
Pumusta sa kalaban yung coach.
Amateur basketball player of the year.
Nakabot na pa rin ba siya?
Oo, UST Lasal Finals, tapos I think nag-hyperventilate ka na dahil hindi ka pa nilalabas buong game.
Hindi, kasi nakashoot siya.
Yung pala feeling doon.
Nasanay. Nakalimutan ko na nung nag-pro ako. Yung pakiramdam.
Hindi, pero ginagaya ko pa yung dribble mo before eh. Gumaganon yung isang elbow. Parang Penny Hardaway kasi siya eh. So ganun din yung dribble. Tapos may white ka dito na bandage. Naalala ka pa yun?
Gulang lang talaga.
Fan ako, fan.
Kaya pala yung mga jersey mo, mga Jack Von lang. Dahil ako ginaya ko. Nandun ka na sa
Next photo, please.
Ito yung, okay, masakit
Ginagaya
to.
mo siya nag-hyperventilate.
Masakit to. Ano yung nakalagay na caption?
Silver.
Join my Spurs crying with the plant.
Hoy.
Ay, nawala.
Wala tayo.
Oo nga,
Okay.
There you go.
Ayun.
Yeah, there you go.
Join my Spurs crying with the plant party. Okay, gumawa ako ng crying with the plant party. Hindi kasi suot ko pa yung shirt na yan kasi yan yung day ng Game 7 ng Finals. Akala ko talaga mananalo yung Spurs.
Spurs fan.
Spurs na Spurs fan
Ang dami
ako.
ring Spurs fan, no?
Yung reason ko kung ba't ako Spurs fan, maganda-ganda for a Pinoy feeling ko. Kasi maraming Pinoy na ayaw ang Spurs dahil ano ba yan, boring. Laging ano ba yan, boring. Tapos parang, alam mo ano mas boring? Yung naglalaro ka, tapos yung mga kalaro mo, lahat mga Laker fan, tapos lahat sila gustong gumanong ganon. Yung ganun-ganun maglaro. Nakakaasar yun. Kasi tatayo ka, tapos para, okay, kakat ba ako kasi hindi mo bibigay sa akin eh. Interesado ka sa dribble mo, hindi naman sa pasa eh. So, ayun, medyo angst ko yun eh. Yung parang, come on, give up the ball.
So, Kobe fan ka?
Ay, opposite lang tayo. Dito tayo sa kabila pa man eh. Parang may pick and roll, tapos yung screen nandun eh. Parang shit, teka lang, dito tayo. Hindi, pero seryoso, Spurs fan talaga ako. Tsaka gusto ko si Patty Mills eh. Yun na naman yung mga trip ko eh.
Tayo sa mga pinipili eh.
Hindi, kasi pwede maging superstar point guard in any other team feeling.
So, yung nakita mo yung Lakers this year, pwede na, mga type mo na yung mga player nila. Kasi mga unknown na natin.
No choice eh, team play.
Hindi, oo nga. Hindi, pero yung Lakers, kinampihan ko na this year kasi parang ayoko rin yung feeling na walang LA Lakers sa playoffs. Ang weird eh, parang paano yun?
Parang the NBA.
Oo, tsaka meron ka laging umaasa sana ako na mag-1 yung Clippers, mag-8 yung Lakers, parang walang home, walang away. Parang andun lang silang lahat.
Konting biyahe lang.
Diba? Parang, ayun no, game na. Tulog tayo dito, game. Sorry.
Alright, next photo. In action, oh.
Ayan,
time move.
Gusto ko lang ipakita na yung hops ko nga pala. That's all I have really. Kasi I'm a pretty good perimeter defender, I think. And I have hops. Pero hindi pumasok yung layup na yan.
Coach Chard, ano ka?
Break down
mo. What is right and what is wrong in this move?
Oh, maganda yan kasi you're protecting the basketball, ha? See, the defender is behind you.
Yeah, naiwanan na yan.
Naiwanan mo talaga yan. Taas ng talon mo. Yung nga lang, sabi mo nga, what is wrong?
Problema, ano daw yan? Depensa.
Ha? Depensa yan.
Yun ang catch. Hindi, mixed 3-on-3 naman yan.
Parang yung si Belga ba yung isa nandun?
Ano siya, si Ruben ng QC yung may arm na sleeve, tapos si Mike Swift.
Para si Alex Malyari na nasa baba.
Oo nga, no?
No, di ba si Slapshot yan?
Si Jamir Yap, Slapshot. Siya yung nag-try mag-swat nung last effort.
Did you win this game?
We lost this game, pero naglaban kami sa finals with us, itong same din, tapos talo kami ulit.
So, 2 team lang yung liga.
Yun lang pala yun. Hindi, 4 na team. 4 na team naman.
Pinapanood ko yan pag madaling araw sa mix.
Pinapalabas.
Yung mga rockstars, may mga parang...
Alam mo, itong game na to, sobrang seryoso niyan. Baka mas seryoso pa yan sa mga ibang teams or leagues na may nabayad yung players. Kasi ito yung lahat ng mga hindi umabot eh. Kumbaga parang lahat.
Anong oras yung mga games, yung mga normal time?
Normally, nagfe-film kami mga 3 p.m. Tapos hanggang 5. Tapos i-air nila iba-ibang times na depende sa edit eh. Pero ito sobrang all heart yan. Tsaka itong pinaka-physical na basketball na linalaro ko ever. As in, nagtataka na nga ako, diyan ko nalaman na pagkapalagi tanong ka, hindi pala foul yun.
Ay, hindi sa PBA, ganun eh.
Ganun yun. So, para kunyari, pag ganun ka, wala, hindi natawag yun.
Playoff.
Lahat. Tsaka yung mga ganyan, yung mga sinashove ka, lahat na may hawak sa shorts. Unless mahalata, na sobra na parang na ilang na yung tira mo, wala. Tsaka lang may foul. Parang, tumitingin ako sa ref parang ano yun? Ayun. Pero nakakuha ko na maraming charge dyan kasi flopper daw ako eh. Pero once again, lang problema sa flopping. Kailangan ko nagsabihin yun na, ba't ba yung mga tao parang, ba't ka flopper? Eh bakit hindi?
Masakit eh, pag pinatama mo.
Diba? Parang, tanggapin mo na rin. Tsaka para ma-absorb mo rin yung impact kung idlaglag mo yung sarili mo.
How do you know if a basketball player ay rockstar? Na parang kunyari, pag pinong maglaro, rockista yan.
Alam mo, naisip namin lagi yan dahil sa opposite, si Jeff Hornacek, mukha ba siya nakikinig ng hip-hop or rock? Parang hindi. Diba? Parang inisip ko...
Alam mo kung sino ang tingin ko,
Nakikinig ng...
rock. Si Kirilenko.
Pwede, no? Yung itsura niya rin. Matapang rin naman maglaro, nangahabol ng palpal. Pero mukhang baka yung mga rock songs na gusto niya medyo emo ng konti. Parang mukha siya madrama.
Ako feeling ko siya yung mga Michael Learns to rock.
Baka ganun si Jeff Hornacek. Si Jeff Hornacek baka Michael Learns to rock.
Speedwagon, man. But so yun na nga. So, how do you know if a player, rockista?
Alam mo, pagka-rock kasi parang hindi madali yung tie-up eh. Pag hip-hop, madali eh. Kunyari, kita mo yung mga haba yung shorts, tapos medyo magano'n, tapos pag-interview, alam mo na. Pero, yun, tapos, pag jazz, si Wayman Tisdale,
ano yun, di ba?
He was a jazz player, a bass player. Ang nakakatawa lang sa kanya, dahil 6'7 siya, or 6'9, ang liit ng bass sa kanya, mukhang ganyan lang kalaki sa kanya. Yung mga
ukulele lang.
mukhang ukulele, sa laki niya eh.
Si Tim Duncan, hindi.
Mukhang hindi.
Alam ko sino rockista, Robin Lopez.
Pwede. Pwede nga.
Tsaka si Ginobili. Naubos na yung buka.
Saka ka, Okay, let's take a short break and then maybe we can get a little more personal with our guest. Di ba kasi ang basketball, ano yan eh. Love and basketball. Love of basketball and love and basketball. Okay. So, we'll learn more about the soft side of Yael when the Bro Show returns.
Hi. They say nothing in this world is free, and for the most part, that's true. But here at NMF Network, all shows are indeed 100% free. And as an added feature, you have the option to subscribe to all your favorite programs, also at no charge. Why should you subscribe? By subscribing, you no longer have the hassle of delays when you stream the program. You also don't need to keep checking our site to see if your favorite programs are up, because they'll automatically be uploaded to your device as soon as it's available. Here's how to do it. First, open iTunes. Your next step, hit the iTunes Store button. A search bar should open up as soon as you do that. Type New Media Factory in the search bar, and all your shows should open. Pick the show you like, or all the shows you like. And once that opens, hit the subscribe button. And that's it, you're in. All shows will now be automatically downloaded to your device. What do you think is ailing local football?
Well, politics.
Should athletes be endorsers?
Yes, why not?
Why did you refuse to be the Haskell's head coach countless times?
I've been there, done that. Too much politics, like I said. Like I posted one time a few days ago, coaching is a thankless job. With what's happening with Michael Weiss, we talked about it already before, personally, one-on-one, and I said, it happens. And I said, you should know that because you worked also somewhere in other countries as well. There's no such thing as a permanent job in coaching, in any sport.
Why do you say thankless?
Well, you're only as good as the wins.
And then that's it.
Plus, of course, there are other factors like disrespect, honor, honesty, and all of this. Because you're just a coach, you're not the manager. You're not the association, you're not the institution. So you, as a coach, you're just an employee. So you're as good only as the wins that you have.
And now back to the Bro Show.
All right, welcome back to the Bro Show with our special guest from Sponge Cola, Yael Yuzon, and so we devoted a lot of time sa kanyang passion for basketball, but bro, we should congratulate him.
Ay, congratulations.
Thanks.
Para saan? Para saan?
Welcome to the club.
Yeah.
Papunta pa lang kayo, pabalik na ako.
Hindi ka lang ganun.
Okay.
Bakit may ganyan ka? Wala rin.
Hindi, wala. Lagpas ka na dun sa, dun sa moratorium.
Kasi
Okay.
lumiliit yan eh.
Sumisikip.
Oo.
Tapos para lumalaki, nakikita ng lahat.
Nahihirapan ako pag nagbabasket ako. Yesterday, nagbasket ako for the first time since the honeymoon. Tapos parang natatanggal-tanggal siya pag
Lalagyan mo ng tape. Lalagyan mo ng
sikip.
Hindi mo na matanggal.
Hindi ko yun, medyo to. Pero
sa'yo sumisikip yan as
yan na.
Okay, so again,
advice.
our private investigator discovered
Sipag,
more secret files, and
Ito tayo lang nakakita nito.
tayo lang may alam nito. Let's watch this.
Okay, ako gumawa niyan eh. Believe it or not, cellphone lang yan.
Hi everyone, Kay says hi. Bonjour. We are here in Monton, France. Someday I'll pronounce that properly.
Okay.
Teka muna, yung asawa mo si ano? Asawa mo si Kirilenko. Kirilenko. Hashtag Kirilenko. Of course, that was of course the lovely Karil, a very, very popular host and singer. So, bro, paano mo nagawa? How'd you do it, man? How'd you do it?
Parang ikaw rin naman eh, di ba? How'd you do it?
Minions power yan.
May ako staple answer dyan usually.
What's your standard answer?
Sing in a band, Ateneo Diploma, Spanish Blood.
That's the winning formula?
Yes.
Oh, ang kulang lang sa akin yung
Spanish Blood.
Singing naman.
Sing in a band.
So, saan yun yung video niya?
Ano yan? Nasa ano kami? Sa di ko ma-pronounce hanggang ngayon. Mongkok.
Mongkok?
Sa Mongkok. Doon lang pala sa Meshang eh.
You can do it. You can do it, bro.
Basta sa France.
Mong-
Sa France kami.
Sa
Sa France. Sa
Mong-
France.
Mong Kemar?
Kaya pala may beach. Kaya may beach. May bato nga lang.
But was that the honeymoon or was
That was the honeymoon, yeah. That was, nag-swing kami pababa from Paris to Monaco, tapos to that area, sa baba, sa mga Tsaka, Tsaka may part doon ako nasa, kasi, kung if you're in France, pwede ka makatipid sa shopping kung magpunta ka sa Italy. Kasi sobrang mas mura lahat. So parang drive ka lang ng mga a few miles, Italy ka na, tapos doon ka magkape. €1 lang, as opposed to 5 kung nasa France.
Ang laki ng tinipid mo. Nagmaneho ka lang ng malayo.
Yun lang. Pero malapit, maganda naman yung, tsaka pag tourist ka, parang, wow, hindi ako nag-drive.
Ano ba yun? Left ba yun o right? Doon sa,
Left.
Okay, next secret file. It's,
yeah.
Nag-magazine cover pa kayong dalawa. Are you talaga really into fitness?
Yeah. As in, tapos nag-meet kami, technically through Twitter and running Kasi, every day at 9 a.m., nag-tweet ako ng mga tipong, kakatapos ng tumakbo, or sarap ng tumakbo. Tapos nagkakataon siya rin, nag-tweet nun, before any of this. Parang, sabay laging tweet namin na yung pag nagkasabay yung pag-send niya, parang, pareho kami nag-tweet na masarap tumakbo, baka dapat tumakbo kami together. So parang doon nagsimula yun. So, kaya...
Yun yung press release. Ano yung totoo? Pagka-tweet na ako! Parang sabay.
Hindi, nagkataon lang siguro mga a week yung straight of that na parang laging sabay. Parang okay. Ako talaga, I've been running every day since 2007 because of basketball din. Parang as a supplement to basketball. Seryoso ako with it. Wow. Kasi I like playing defense And that's what you need, legs and running for defense.
Yeah, ito.
Alam mo naman yung di ba? What is a defensive specialist?
Yeah,
one who cannot play offense.
Actually, totoo yun. Ako, ganun ako
So if you want yung mga defensive tips, he's the guy.
Yeah.
He's the guy.
Yes. Baka pwedeng magpa-coach ng defense talaga as like a personal
Sure.
Parang yung ginagawa ni Norman Blacquera Alusaini before, after practice.
Ginagawa
ni Norman Blacquera Alusaini before, may sariling tutorial talaga na one-on-one how to play the post, defend the post.
Kilala mo naman si Mark Pingris, di ba?
Yeah. Asa yun ang galing yung mga...
sa kanya natututo yun. But did you have like a long time crush on Karil like before you guys met?
Hindi, nakikita ko lang siya. Tapos parang, maganda siya. Pero that was it. Parang,
ganun lang,
maganda siya.
Babaeng to.
Kasi basically yung type ko kasi usually small eyes tsaka puffy cheeks So parang nagpa-fall siya under that category. Which I normally call either rabbit syndrome or hamster syndrome. Parang,
okay yun. Alam mo, parang kang hamster.
Diba? Kasi cute naman ng hamster, diba? Parang rabbit, diba? Parang, kunyari ako, feeling ko kung naging animal ako, I'd be a camel Or maybe a donkey. Someone with a long face. Like, parang I'd be close to a camel.
Ako feeling ko ako horse. Someone with a long back.
Ay. Ako puma.
Bakit?
Pumapatol ka.
Ikaw.
Ako? Ako, eagle.
Bakit?
Parang bird. Kaya Taneo, man.
Parang bird din.
Parang bird. Parang big bird.
Big bird.
Okay, next secret file. Yun.
Ito yung from the car. Ito yung, I think, kasi Hyundai, yung sponsored ako ng Hyundai, so trinay namin i-drive, tapos naaliw siya dun sa moonroof. So para nag-selfie siya sa moonroof.
What, a moonroof?
Well, I call it is it a sunroof or a moonroof? What's the difference? I can't tell.
During the day, sunroof. During the night.
Ito, moonroof to kasi gabi. So, kaya kailangan i-filter ng ganyan kasi hindi kita ng dahil madilim. Pero yan.
Nice.
We don't actually post a lot of pictures. On Instagram, maybe I have like 4 pictures together.
Yeah, why is that? Actually, sinabi nga nung PI namin.
Na parang konti.
Parang,
PI, yung PI namin. PI talaga yun
Yung PI yung una ko
PI na yan.
Bro, di sila masyado nagpo-post sa mga tweetums
Hindi talaga.
Why is that? Is that like a mutual decision or?
Parang conscious effort tsaka analysis siya Wow. Kasi, in-analyze ko rin na kunyari, mga relationships na nakikita mo on TV, people who are public about things, normally they end up breaking up because there's just way too much pressure from other camps. It stops being just about the two of you. It becomes about everyone else's opinions. And we just decided na let's cut all that. Kasi mukha namang seryoso yung relationship natin Sumpal namang pag mag-announce lang tayo pag nag-asawa na tayo. Which was pretty early. Alam ko na mangyayari yun early into the relationship.
Like how early?
Like siguro during the first maybe 6 months. Bihira ko sinasabi mga ganito, by the way. Kaya lang we're the bro show. So
it's only for bros.
Tsaka mga dudes naman
Exactly.
Tsaka sponkies.
I guess. Alright, next photo. Actually, mas
Ayun.
alam mo, mas
Pati ba itsura mo dyan?
So ikaw yung dito, better.
Vice,
Parang ganun nga.
Vice real, di ba? Vice real yan, di ba?
Yeah. Meron silang parang parang love team ni Vice tsaka si Kay.
Okay.
Tapos parang yun, basically it. Tapos nagpo-post si Jugs of Itchy Worms, nagpo-post siya ng pictures, mga picture of the day. Tapos yun, minsan tinatag din nila ako. Ako naman, tutuwa naman ako dyan kasi parang nakakatawa rin kasi sila Parang talagang parang it's very believable for the fan. Na parang despite parang hindi pwede mangyari yan, pero yung idea lang na it can. Parang there's a romantic element to it in a different way, in a not so conventional way.
Mukha ka lang best man dito
Hindi, mukha ka ring bear.
Pero alam mo, yung sa picture na yan, proud ako kasi pinadalan sa akin ni Kay nung morning lang dumating. Parang binigyan niya ako, I don't know what you call it, but it's that pin you put here. What do you call that?
Hindi yung sa prom.
Yung corsage?
Corsage.
Hindi, corsage dito sa babae.
Anyway, basta yan. For the guys.
In order pa from Disneyland kasi sobrang Disney guy ako So binigyan ako ng Mickey Mouse na kaya sobrang tuwan-tuwa ako. Kita dyan pero maliit lang yan din sa may collar.
Hidden Mickey. Find the Hidden Mickey.
Yeah, may Hidden Mickey dyan. Andun talaga. So, parang dumating siya at 8 a.m. galing Hong Kong. So buti umabot.
Okay, next, Faro.
Ayun na.
Grabe.
Ito na mismo ito yung after the wedding proper. Ito na yung mga magpipicture kayo sa may simbahan, ganun.
Selfie yan, yung parang gano'n.
I think this was taken by Pat D. Tapos yan, yung mga tipong those high-end cameras with a killer photographer. So, yan.
Basketball fan din yan, si Pat.
Yeah.
Huge fan. Okay. How does it feel now? I mean, so how long have you been married?
Break lang kami. We'll pause for this commercial.
Teka lang.
Wait. Kasi ginagamit niya in minutes. Huwag mo pahirapan. Huwag mo gamitin in minutes.
Ano lang, baseball, ballpark.
Alam mo, in minutes. Yan ang dapat unang-una mong minimemorize. Ilang days, ilang months, pati yung mga months. Naku, Diyos ko.
Di ba tayo nagmamansary pa rin?
Oo naman.
Swerte nyo naman.
Nagmansari pa rin kayo?
No, of course not.
So wala kasi ako lang.
So based on your computation, and I hope you're correct.
Tama, as in together or married? Married, 2 months. 2 months pa lang.
2 months?
March 21.
Muntik mo na makalimutan.
April 21. Wala pang 2 months, mga 5 weeks.
Wow.
A month and 5 weeks. So di lagpas na 2 months yun.
Di pa niya nasagot mo.
Sorry, 5 weeks.
Akala ko talaga seconds niya inaano.
Sorry, hindi
seconds.
Ito mga bro ano man lang ito, 2 months, windang na.
Hindi, ayos lang. Sakto pa.
Pero together, as a couple,
mga 4 years.
4 years.
Wow. Pero kasi kunyari ako line of work, nahihirapan ako maisip. Kunyari, hindi ko naiisip na Wednesday ngayon or Thursday. Dahil when you're in a band, like every day is Friday technically. Parang, that sounds like a nice song. But every day is Friday. Tulad ko mamaya. Pero anyway, parang kasi every day, wala namang deadlines. Hindi, meron. Pero, when you enjoy what you do, it's like...
Hey, speaking of the band, so we also have like pictures of the band. So, Sponge Cola. And I have very distinct memories of Sponge Cola because of Halika na Radio.
Yeah, thank you for that, by the way.
By the way, I'm just gonna...
Maraming itulong sa OPM
We were one of the first to put them on FM radio.
Really?
Yeah. So remember its first song, Lunes.
Yes, wow. Why, yeah.
Lunes.
Laluwag pa ng pants namin nun. Hindi pa ganito.
Talaga?
Kasi kaya kami magkakabatch. We support each other.
Sinong?
Kami. We were,
Daddy niya?
No. We were part of the same org.
Nag-try out kami sa UAP Juniors before.
Tapos Ateneo Musicians Pool.
Manager ka na nun. Manager ka na.
Let's show some of the gig. Yeah, we have some gig photos.
Yes, this is a show.
What is Sound Trip? What is that?
Sound Trip is a show. It's basically a travel show where we perform. Tapos it's sponsored by Hyundai. Gusto ko sabihin niya parang Walking Dead. Sponsored by Hyundai. Tapos tumutugtog kami sa car. Yung car na nasa likod namin na yan, it's an Elantra. Tapos nag-road trip kami from Arizona, LA, Vegas, all over. Tapos tumutugtog kami inside the car. Tapos may mga part na pupunta kami Disneyland, punta kami Universal Studios. Tapos mahilig kasi kami mag-document, tsaka may thing ako for TV prod and like this whole making podcasts thing. I love it. Parang kasi ngayon may voice lahat ng tao eh. Kasi parang ang ganda, ang sarap na feeling. So, yeah. Kaya dala ko nga yung camera ko ngayon eh. So, umabot sa point na may dala akong camera.
Everywhere you go.
Well, nagkataon lang kasi galing akong shoot kanina. Tapos mag-shoot pa ako later dahil fun eh. So,
Ikaw, di mo ba inisip bro mag-band before? I mean, di ba when we were kids, kasama yan, di ba? Either maging basketball player ka or maging rock and roll star ka. Did you ever...
Sa basketball na ako, tsaka ano na ako eh. There was not enough time. Once you're playing basketball in high school, there's no more time.
That's true.
Wala na.
Ikaw, Chard, did you... Di ba gusto mo maging Rico J. Puno ng Philippines dati? Ano? Di ba?
Rick Segreto yan, bro. Rick Segreto, peg niyan.
ng Philippines. Di ba yung gusto mo noon?
Hindi, siyempre.
Ay, ito, mahilig talaga kumanta.
Ito, magaling kumanta. Seryoso.
Hanggang ngayon pa naman, gusto ko pa.
baka may sample ka na iwan na sing, baka New Order ba? Or...
Ay, hindi niya alam yung New Order.
Kaya laman ng videoke.
Hindi
Hindi diba?
-1 pa yan.
Diba? Oo.
Hindi
Sa kanya marami siyang kabanda eh.
Hindi, pero, siyempre.
So when you were young, did you...
Wait. Ano, you were young?
I'm sorry, when you were in high school, which was a few years ago.
Okay.
Meron ka bang mga fantasy na gusto mo maging singer?
Oo naman. Meron.
Ano nangyari?
Nag-basket ako eh.
Magiging busy ka talaga masyado with practice in the morning.
Sobra.
Afternoon.
At saka ano siya eh, ibang mundo eh.
Tsaka
yung isa puyat. Yung isa,
exactly. Hindi magtutugma yun eh.
Kaya.
Unless kaya mong magising ng 25 hours, which doesn't...
Wow.
Lagpas pa, parang Guda.
Next photo. Okay.
Yes. This was taken sa likod ng bus ng Cebu Pacific. Commercial yun. Tapos it's our album. It's called Ultra Blessed. Tapos yung kwento ng Ultra Blessed ay dahil, ito yung pinaka-recent album namin, launched it Jan 31, yes. Tapos yung kwento niya, kasi di ba ang daming mga nag-hashtag ng Blessed. Kunyari, parang having mango juice while here in the pool area of Discovery Shores, hashtag Blessed. So parang may mga friends kami na naasar din na parang, hindi ka naman blessed, nagyayabang-yabang ka lang, gaganap ka lang sa sabi ko na meron siya.
May kakampi tayo dito.
Nakakasar lang to eh, nangliliburake ka lang eh, parang gano'n. So parang, okay. So kami parang, sige nga gawin nga natin, ultra blessed na lang kasi thankful naman tayo. And at the same time, natatawa naman tayo sa word na blessed minsan. So, pero hindi yan parang a religious thing. I mean, it's just more of like, parang just being thankful din also. So at least yung both sides, yung sarcastic side tsaka yung mas literal na side namin, pareho na-fulfill ng title na yan. Na we do feel ultra blessed, pero natatawa rin kami dun sa mga hashtag blessed. So,
Hindi ka ba yung pag may nagtitweet sa'yo, parang, Yel, ang gwapo mo. Tapos, retweet mo. Tapos, thank you.
Tapos, thank you.
Thank you, blessed.
Hindi, alam mo, depende. Kasi may mga ibang things na feeling ko, kunyari, pag in-effort na nung gumawa. Kunyari, parang, uy, pinakinggan ko yung unreleased track nyo. Yung gano'n, yung parang, hindi naman released na song. So, para niya makapakinggan yun, sige, research niya. So, parang, nagandahan ako, salamat. Tapos, uy, thank you. Kasi, alam ko na in-effort eh. So, binabalik ko lang. Parang ganun. Pero, ayoko yung pag-pogi. Ang pogi mo, kuya. Thanks,
Ikaw pinakamagaling na singer.
Ikaw ang pinakamagaling na singer. Tama yan,
Depende pala.
Thank you, please don't share. Pero retweet.
Hindi, pero pag ginagawa ko pa rin kapag tungkol sa abs. Kasi pinaka-career ko yun. Tsaka hindi naman kasi ako nakatanggal ng shirt eh. So parang gusto ko rin na pag kami nakakapansin, thank you. Kasi wala nakakita eh. So, diba? Kunyari mga, uy, ako yung ka-fist bump mo, tapos nag-ganon tayo, parang tigas tong abs mo pare. Thank you, man. I-retweet ko yun. Sorry. Blessed.
That's the one temptation talaga that I refuse to, yung to show my abs. I feel it's bragging.
Bro,
please
brag. Please brag.
No,
right now. Go.
Feeling ko, it's important.
Ayun, kaya ka nga lagi naka-black eh.
Tsaka lumalaki yung kamay ni Titan eh. Lumalaki yung parang parang August na eh.
Next photo. Yan, saan to?
This was, recent lang to. Sa Dagupan.
Ay, blessed yan, blessed.
Blessed yan. Hindi kasi yung every year kami tumutugtog sa Dagupan for like maybe the past 10 years. Tapos every time na nandyan kami, lagi kaming kumakain ng bangus. Siyempre, bangus festival. So parang ang sarap lang. So excited kami lagi tumugtog. Tapos, ayun, parang we're just happy na every year, ganyan pa rin karaming pumupunta. It's like a packed street eh. Ang nakakatawa na dyan, actually makitid yung kalye nila. So minsan may dadaan na van sa gitna. Tapos lahat ng tao kailangan tumabi. Tapos minsan may nakasakay na sa taas.
Paraligal lang eh.
Oo, tapos minsan may tao sa taas. Mga hi kuya. Tapos sa taas lang siya ng van. Tapos nag-hi pa rin siya mga 1 minute later. Tapos parang, okay,
Hindi ka ba napapagod with the, you know, the rock and roll lifestyle? Because I know I follow you on Twitter and it's like you're traveling every week.
I think it's the reason kami tumatakbo rin. It was basketball originally, pero nung nag-pile up na yung gigs, parang if you work out, madaling labanan yung puyat and everything. Tsaka may mga sa tech rider namin, may mga requirements kami na fish, vegetables.
Ganun.
Wow. Ganun. Parang kasi rin eh.
Kasama ng tanduay.
Kasama ng tanduay, Then kasi we make room for the drinks, diba?
Kasama yun, it's part of it.
Yeah. Pero parang yan, kasi iwas din kami sa pork. Kasi parang we don't wanna, like, you know, live and die young.
Yung kunyari yan, pinakita mo yung dagupan, which is better now or which is more exciting now to play in? Yung bang mga gig sa probinsya o yung sa Maynila?
Actually, sa probinsya kasi ang maganda. Yung mga tao, parang ka dun foreigner ka dun So, syempre, mas minsan ka lang nandito. Pag sa Manila, may tendency na, although hindi naman ako encounter, pero maraming mga audience na medyo maganon Parang, sige nga, impress mo nga kami. Sige, anong gagawa? Ang galing
So, dami nila napapanood dito.
May ganun na. Pero at the same, ako naman, ang ginagawa ko kasi, pag nakita ko may naggaganon sa crowd, sinusugod ko lang. Hindi naman away sugod. As in, doon tayo sa malapit sa'yo para ma-impress ka ng konti. Okay na ba? Parang kung makikita ko na magiging ganun, kahit ano naman parang it's just a theory na, alam mo yung mga bata na 6 years old. Kapag, kunyari yung mga masungit na bata na, say hi to your tito. Yung mga gumaganon, ang gagawin mo sa ganon, pag high five ka na ganon, overextend, babalik nila kasi hindi mo kayang yan Feeling ko parang program tayo nung baby pa lang pag may ganon, high five. Tapos okay na, lalambot na, magiging hindi malambot, pero I mean, mag-ano na siya, mag-warm up na. So, yun, similarly, mas maganda, for me, mas nag-enjoy ako sa out-of-town crowd. Tsaka out-of-town food.
Ikaw rin, out-of-town games, di ba? Ikaw, nung NBA.
Ginagawa ko yun.
Hindi. Ikaw. Minsan, dalawa ka Diba?
Ganon.
Pero hindi impressed na.
Nag-cover ka lang. Sino ba di impressed? Ikaw? Kaya ang mga ganon.
No, kasi tama you're like a tourist. And you're a visitor. Okay. So, parang kumbaga, you're just appreciating what they have in
the beauty. Yeah, you appreciate the beauty that's there.
Naman doon ka lang sa hotel, di ba?
Bakit hindi?
Para ka antisocial.
Pwede ba may questions din ako sa mga ganyan? Pagka ba cover kayo ng NBA playoffs, mga round, let's say, NBA finals, let's say, pinadala kayo, roommates ba kayo niyan?
More or less, yeah.
Hindi yan parang share room, tapos parang, ganyan, wala.
What are you talking about?
Okay. Hindi kasi iniisip ko lang
roommates lagi.
May roommates yan. Okay.
Lagi yan.
Pero may way.
Please make up room.
Diba?
Hindi, ano lang yan. Iba-iba tayo ng eating time.
Yan.
Hindi kasi di ba, tutulog ka na
Ayun, sleeping time. Ba't eating time?
Sleeping time, eating. Bro, ako muna magdi-dinner.
Ako muna kakain dito.
Ganon lang yun. Tapos lagay mo lang yung do not disturb. Kasi syempre may din yung tulog.
Basta linis mo yung pinagkainan mo.
Syempre. Dilain mo para ubos ka.
Dahil sila kaya pag mga roommate.
Nangyari na ba na pagdating ninyo, queen-sized bed lang yung meron na isa?
Ay, oo.
Yung tipo dalawa kayo, tapos parang, bro, paano to bro?
Hindi ako magbabayad ako na iba.
Extra na
But it happens. Sometimes it happens.
Yung sa amin dati, 3 kami. Isang queen-size, isang single 3 kami. Unahan dun sa isa, tapos parang, okay, so dalawa tayo dito ngayon.
Pero kung, if you're mga totoong bro.
Hindi, pag totoong bro, wala. Naglagay lang kami ng pillow dito kasi yung isang kamanda, gumugulong-gulong pagtulog So parang ayaw ko lang na gugulong siya sa akin na parang ako mararayo, Street Fighter, na yung gano'n ni Ryu. So nakagano'n.
Okay, let's go back to the NBA quickly before we end because dahil pa natin sa kwentuhan, but fortunately we don't have enough time. So, Yael, based on your love for basketball, who's going to make the finals and who's going to win the championships in the NBA?
Okay, meron akong dalawang scenario. Pwede bang 2 scenario?
Sige, go.
Two-part answer siya. Okay. Ang maglalaban sa finals, Spurs tsaka Heat.
Okay.
Mananalo yung Heat. Pero hindi ako Heat fan, Spurs fan ako. Pero mananalo yung Heat. Although dapat last year kuha na yung Game 6 pa lang. Why? Anyway.
What's the second, ano yung
second scenario? Makakapasok sa finals dahil baka offensive to for some, pero profitable for the NBA to let the Clippers
That's
enter. It's a better storyline Kasi imagine mo, if they win, may speech yun sa dulo na this win is for all of us. It's for everyone, all colors, all ganyan. Diba? Parang ano yan Na moment naman talaga for humanity rin.
Correct.
Pero alam ko lang na syempre, parang pwede kasing tayo tumawag ng ilang mga foul para mangyari yun Sorry NBA, but I'm just saying.
Tagalogin mo para di ka maintindihan ni Adam Silver.
Paul.
Luto ka, Adam Silver!
Maaring luto. Maaring may buffet. So, pag magka-buffet, Clippers ang kakain.
Wow, so yung dalawang scenario ni Yael, either Heat or Clippers. So, stay tuned for that. Greet all the Sponge Cola Natics.
Ay, sa lahat. Oo nga. Wala kasing exact term pero sa lahat ng mga Sponge Cola fans, sa lahat ng mga supporters namin for the past 14 years, yung mga iba sa inyo, yung pagiging fan ninyo ay nasa high school na kasi pag 14 years old ka na, high school ka na. So imagine mo yung pagiging fan mo. Parang 14-year-old fan.
High school ako noon.
Diba?
I started to Sponge Cola.
Ako, mga bachelor lang ako ng konti. Pareho pa, hindi pa ako ng ID sa'yo dati kasi medyo magkamukha tayo sa ID.
Di ba 4I ka?
Oo.
4D ako.
Yun. Eksakto. Tama. Tapos may magkaharap pa yung bathroom na nakain siya dito. So, yun. Hi sa lahat. Sa mga nasa Facebook page namin na feeling ko dun makakakuha ng link for this. Hello. Tsaka dun sa mga nag-comment na nag-reflex ako dun sa previous video, hindi ako nag-reflex dun. Nagkataon lang talaga, lighting, sorry. Nahirita na ako na parang, ba't ko gumaganon-ganon? Hindi, gumagalaw ako ng gestures. Ito yung naka-flex, I mean, hindi.
Yung ano ba? Yung misis mo ba madaldal?
Oo. Kami pareho. Pero nag-overpower na lang kami pag
sarap. Gusto kong ano yung conversation nila. Kasi
can we invite the two of you back on the Bro Show?
Sige, pero ang alam lang niya na team, the red team.
Okay lang.
Kasi ang alam niya, Chicago Bulls lang talaga.
Kasi we tried with JC and si
Bianca. Kasi we had JC and Talon Bianca.
Sige.
Pagkatapos nun, kinasal sila.
Kabatch ko si JC. Kabatch natin si JC.
Kabatch natin si JC.
We tried to separate them. Lalo sila nagmahalan.
So we'll try to do the same sa inyong dalawa. But hopefully you and Karilenko.
Karilenko.
Okay, final words, Chard?
Nothing.
Oy, good luck. May door na game si Chard.
Mamaya. Sana do.
Jason?
Nice to be back and keep on downloading The Bro Show.
We're finally complete and we'd like to thank Yael for joining. I hope you had fun listening to The Bro Show. Watch on YouTube, download on iTunes and on Google Play, and we'll see you next week. Bye, bros!
Bye, bros!
Thanks for watching The Bro Show, bro.
The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all. Viewer discretion is advised.